few episodes on microwaves. So rather than go to your kitchen and use your wonderful new microwave that you got for Christmas, you go around your friends and you borrow theirs. My friend probably doesn't even remember that I've got his. So, we've got a couple to do. Let's do crisp packets first. So, there's two types of plastics, thermoforming and thermosetting. So thermoforming is plastics that can be recycled more easily because you can heat them up, melt them and mould them into something new. And thermosetting is more difficult to do that with. But we learn how to make a crisp packet go from the normal one to a sort of more pocket-sized one. I think it's a bit more interesting to look at. So you just take your crisp packet, place it in the microwave, and don't have it set too high. And be ready on off effectively. So only put it on for like 10 seconds at a time because you might. So be careful. So you just. Oh, this one's worked even better. Now be careful, they are a little bit warm when they first come out. So you might need your tweezers. There is a miniaturised crisp packet. Remember, don't try it at home, try it at a friend's home. Thanks for watching.